I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and gathering materials. Verify the new device supports Esim and is unlocked. This avoids activation failures later. Next, back up any existing Esim profile and contacts so you can restore data if needed. Once done, make sure you have Wi-Fi, the carrier QR code or activation code, and your device PIN to hand. You're starting the transfer now. That reduces interruptions and prevents carrier locks during the critical activation step. You now move into activation. Open Settings and choose Add Esim under Cellular or Mobile Data. Scan the carrier's QR code or type the SMDP plus address and activation code. This securely downloads the profile to your device. After the profile appears, select it, name the plan so you can identify it, and enable cellular data. If you travel, turn on data roaming. While it downloads, watch for confirmation prompts. They complete the secure handshake with the carrier and finalize provisioning. Finish by verifying connectivity. Check signal bars, place a test call, and confirm mobile data works. Once verified, choose which line is primary for calls or data and set defaults in your cellular settings. This clears confusion between profiles. If activation fails, restart the device and retry scanning or re-entering the activation code, because many errors resolve on reboot. If problems persist, contact carrier support with your activation code and device details. They can reissue the profile or troubleshoot network provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.